everyone, this is Sirius back here again with another video. Today we will be looking at this question from the 2019 paper. Alright, paper 1, question 5 of the pure chemistry paper. Alright, let's take a look at the question. An isotope of element Q can be written as 32Q16. Particle AR has 4 more neutrons, 1 more proton and 1 more electron than this isotope of Q. What represents R? Right, so now let us take a look at the 4 options provided. So let's take a look at element Q first. Okay, so what does this 2 number represent? Always remember that the bigger number represents the mass number, alright? And the smaller number represents the proton number. And why do I go by the bigger number and the smaller number? Because different periodic table has different way of illustration. Some actually has the mass number at the bottom and some actually has the mass number on the top. And this particular case, we have the mass number on the top. So we do not want to go by the bottom number or the number on top. In fact, we want to go by the number that is bigger or the number that is smaller. So what can we deduce from the mass number and proton number of element Q? We can determine that there will be 16 proton, alright, as stated here. And because there is 16 proton, it will also mean that it has 16 electrons. And mass number is actually the total number of proton plus neutron. So how many neutrons do we have here? It will be 32 minus 16. We will also have 16 neutrons, alright? So now, coming back to particle R, we know that particle R has 4 more neutrons than Q. So we have a element R here. And for the neutrons, it will be 16 plus 4 equals to 20. Alright. And what else? 1 more proton and 1 more electron than Q. So basically we have 16 plus 1, we will have 17 proton, and 16 electron plus 1 more, we will also have 17 electrons. So what will then be the mass number? Alright, it will be 20 neutrons plus the 17 protons here, giving you a total of 37. So this symbol will look like that at the top, which is the mass number, and 17 at the bottom, which is the proton number. So which option actually correspond to this particular symbol that we have written here? And that would be answer option D. So the answer will be D.